everyone, so today's video is going to be how to make money on YouTube. I'm really excited for this video because this year I put out 2 videos related to growth and YouTube revenue and all that, and you guys loved them. I did a how much money I make on YouTube as a small YouTuber and how you guys can grow your channel and my best tips and tricks for growing your channel in 2020. So I figured I would add on to that since you guys loved those videos and talk about more how you could actually make money doing YouTube, especially if you're just starting out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, you guys, so the first thing I wanted to touch on is ads. So this one is I feel like pretty obvious. I think most people know about this, but if you don't, so basically when you see ads run on a YouTube video before or in between the video, that's how creators make revenue through Google Adsense. So based on how many views you got and all your CPM, I go into more detail about this in my other video, but based on the revenue that you acquired from how many people saw your ads, that's how you can make money and monthly get a check from Google AdSense. And more recently, if you have a video that is over 10 minutes long, you can put in multiple ads in the video. So creators don't get to choose what actual ads are appearing in the video. We don't have any control of that, but we do control how many ads get played in the middle of a video if it's over 10 minutes long. So I know some creators, like I watch like some videos, they'll put like ads every 2 minutes, and that could be pretty annoying for the viewer, but adding maybe 1 or 2 extra ads in the video is an extra way to increase your revenue for that video, so that way more people are watching the ads. So it's only like 5 seconds long most of the time. So just those like little ways, if you posted like a video that was 6 minutes long and another video that was over 10 minutes, so a total of 3 ads in it, then kind of think of that as you posting 3 videos under 10 minutes with only 1 ad that ran before the video. So that's normally how YouTubers make money through Google AdSense. So the next thing I wanted to talk about is affiliate links. And I'm so excited to be partnering with Magiclinks on this video because I have been using Magiclinks since last year. I'm pretty sure like around February is when I started using the program. So affiliate links are another great and easy way for creators to make extra money. So if you guys didn't know what affiliate links are, so say I have this shirt that you guys are wondering where it's from, or this necklace, and I were to create a link through Magiclinks of this site. So say, I'm pretty sure this is from Princess Polly. So say I go on that retailer's website and create the link for it and put it in my description, and you guys click on that link and then make a purchase within a certain time period, I would receive commission through that. So it is just the easiest way to make an extra amount of money, and I really love Magiclinks because there are like thousands of different retailers on the site, and they have the easiest ways to quickly make a link for you. So sometimes I'll just go on the site, copy and paste, and my link will be created. And there's also a Google Chrome extension. So say you're on Sephora and you see a product that you want to link, you can just use the extension and the link is created for you. And there's even an app. So the app, you can also create your links. So all these really simple and easy ways to create your affiliate links. So if you're also a creator or influencer and have never heard of Magiclinks, I would highly, highly recommend it. It is like the easiest way to make a little bit of commission for just sharing products with your viewers. So even when I like watch my favorite YouTuber and they have like a sweatshirt that I want to buy and like they have like their links down below, I always make sure to buy it through them because they're the ones who recommended it to me anyway, and I wouldn't have known about it without them. So I just like think it's like a win-win situation for everybody. So if you guys are a creator or influencer and haven't used Magiclinks, I'll have my referral link down below so you guys can get started on that. So another way that YouTubers can make money is through sponsors. So I think this is another way that a lot of people are aware of, but getting brand deals or sponsorships is basically when a brand reaches out to you and wants you to promote a product, and by promoting that product, it's kind of like a commercial for them. So they'll pay you a certain amount of money based on your channel's performance, basically. And by doing that, that's how a lot of creators make their revenue. So if you don't have a consistent amount of views on YouTube, so you're not getting a consistent Google AdSense check every month, then getting brand deals and sponsorships is a great way to have a little bit more of consistent income. So that's another way that many creators make their revenue. So some creators can make a lot more money through sponsorships in 1 month versus say another creator gets millions of views on every video, so every month they pretty much have a consistent check, so don't even need to really do any sponsorships. So that's another way to kind of have another source of income doing YouTube. So sometimes if a brand wants to collaborate with you and maybe they're not even paying you for a certain video, that's kind of like the difference of a sponsorship and a collaboration. Sometimes they'll just send you product to promote, and that's kind of what they are like paying you. So if a brand is sponsoring or collaborating with you, sometimes, not all, but sometimes they will give you a code, and that code, if your viewers use it, you can receive a little bit of commission from that. So most of the time, I would say like 95% of the time in my own experience, I haven't had a commission-based code. So most of the time if I share codes with you guys, I don't receive any commission, but sometimes brands do have that. So you'll get like 10% or 5% of the sale if a viewer uses your code and purchases a product. Next, I want to talk about sites that creators can actually reach out and go to brands for sponsorships. So there are 2 sites that I have used. It's Grapevine and FameBit. So those are both sites that you guys can use. I'm pretty sure you have to have like an X amount of subscribers to join, but those are platforms that are kind of like a marketplace with a ton of different brands that are looking to sponsor creators. So you can go through and look at what brands would kind of align with yours and reach out to them and then kind of collab that way. I've had both Grapevine and FameBit, but personally haven't really done it that way, but I do know that people do reach out to brands in that form, but I haven't really done that myself. But I have heard of people who do find sponsorships in that way if they don't reach out to you. So here's a tip really quick. If you guys are creators starting out, make sure you guys start a separate business email for you guys. I wish I talked about this in the past 2 videos, but when you are starting out, make sure you guys are having a separate email so brands can reach out to you, and always have it in your description box. So when I first started out, I started a separate email for all business inquiries. So if any brands or companies want to reach out and work with me, I always have my email in my description box so they can go and reach out to me in that way. So I highly recommend you guys create a separate business email for brands to start reaching out to you. So those are like a lot of the main, more common ways that you can make money on YouTube. Now there are even more ways that I will briefly touch on. If you are successful on YouTube, likely your viewers and followers will want to continue following you on other platforms. And just the growth in that way, there are other opportunities to make money doing YouTube. So I'm going to mention a few of those other ways. I'm sure there are probably others, but these are other ones that I'm aware of. So if a creator comes out with merch or anything like that, when you purchase their merchandise, they receive a portion of that money. So if you buy your favorite creators sweatshirts or mugs or whatever merch they have, they receive money through that way, or through Instagram posts. So I've done this a couple times through stories, but sometimes brands will want to sponsor Instagram posts. So sometimes people have more followers on Instagram and will make even more money through brand deals through Instagram than YouTube. It just really depends on the individual person and how all their numbers work specifically. But Instagram's another way for brand deals to reach out. And also if people have blogs, again, ads on the site. And then podcasts. So podcasts are really hot right now. So many people are coming out with podcasts, and when they have ads running through their podcast, that's another way. So yeah, those are pretty much all of the main ways that you can make money doing YouTube. So I feel like YouTube is my favorite platform for sure. I have the biggest following on YouTube, and I'm so thankful for it because I feel like it's the best way, so you're not really relying on brands to reach out to you and make a revenue that month. So you always have somewhat of a consistent income monthly through ads from people watching your videos. So if I don't get any brand deals for a certain month, like at least I'm getting a check from ads or even my affiliate links, like I said. So all of that is adding up. So that is like most consistent for me than waiting for a brand to reach out or anything like that, especially if you don't have any management. So yeah, I definitely recommend that. I know a lot of you guys are creating channels right now, especially since we're all in quarantine. It's definitely the best time and perfect time to do so. So if you guys are starting your channel and wanted to figure out more ways that you guys can actually make YouTube your job, I hope that all of these tips gave you guys ideas. And don't forget, if you are a creator, to use my referral link down below for Magiclinks so you can start adding extra commission from links that you share with your followers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys!